So here's how to run CS2 on low-end PC. Let's start off by going to the Counter-Strike 2 video game on your PC. Once you're here, go to the top left corner and click on the settings menu icon. Then, click on Video at the top. Over here, go to Resolution and change it to the lowest resolution. For example, 1176 by 664. Then, go to Aspect Ratio and change it to widescreen. After that, change the display mode to full screen. Then, go to Refresh Rate and change it to the lowest one. Once you're done, go to the top and click on Advanced Video. Here, go to the Preset section and change the current video value preset to low. After that, go to HUD Edge Positions at the top. You can manage the horizontal and vertical adjustments from here. Now, go back to the video section at the top, and then click on Apply Changes at the bottom right corner. You have now successfully saved these changes to the game. And that's it. You can now easily run CS2 on low-end PC.